ராமானுஜதயாபாத்திரம் ஞானவைராக்கியபூஷணம் ஸ்ரீமத்வெங்கடநாதாரியம் வந்தே வேதாந்ததேசிகம். சீரொன்று தூப்புல் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் பாரொன்று சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் ஓரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேரப் போமளவும் வாழ்வே. The Tattva Matrikai is the Childre Ragasyam, on which these three pasurams 9, 10, 11 of Amritaranjani are referred to. Especially this Tattva Matrikai. Matrikai means 51. So there are 51 statements about these Tattvams. In this Ragasyam, Swami Desikan in Tattva Matrikai, the 14 lines are on Paratattvam, which is Supreme Lordship, Sriyapati, Sriman Narayanan, the Ishvara Tattvam, the Supreme Paramatman, and 15 on Chetanam, the Jivatma, the Chit, and 22 are on Achetanam. Achetanam are the Prakriti. So, the non-sentient Achetanam, sentient Jivatma, and Ishwaran. All three are talked about in the 51 lines. So, let's enjoy the verse and then the summary level arthams. காரணமாய் உயிராகி அனைத்தும் காக்கும் கருணை முகில் கமலையுடன் இலங்குமாறும் நாரணனார் வடிவான உயிர்களெல்லாம் நாம் என்று நல்லடிமைக்கு ஏற்குமாறும் தாரணி நீர் முதலான மாயை காலம் தனிவான் என்றிவை உருவாம் தன்மை தானும் கூரணிஷீர் மதியுடைய குருக்கள் காட்ட குறிப்புடன் நாம் கண்டவகை கூறினோமே. So the Tattvams revealed by Sadacharyas is referred to in this. This is the third pasuram from the Childre Ragasyam of Tattva Matrikai. And Swami mentions here that Karanamai Uiragi Anaithum Kakum Karunai Mugil Kamalayudan Ilangumaru Narananar Vadivana Uirgal Ellam Nam Yendri நல்லடிமைக்கு ஏற்குமாறும் தாரணி நீர் முதலான மாயை காலம் தனி வான் என்று இவை உருவம் தன்மை தானும் கூரணிஷீர் மதியுடைய குருக்கள் காட்டிய குறிப்புடன் நாம் கண்ட வகை கூறினோம். That's the way the Anvayam, the meaning has to be understood for this verse. The Perumal who protects us, the Ishvara, he is the prime doctrine of all scriptures, Sakala Sastram. So, Alotya Sarva Sastrani Vicharyacha Punah Punaha Idamekam Sunishpannam Yeyo Narayana Sada, Veda Vyasa says. Alotya Sarva Sastrani, I have investigated in all Sastrams, and everywhere I see only Sriman Narayana as the Paratvam. Alodya Sarva Sastrani Vicharyacha Punah Punaha, again and again. So, Sunishpannam Yeyo Narayana Sada, we have to contemplate only on Narayana. So, the indwelling Perumal who protects us is the cause of everything. He is Jagat Karana. He shines with his divine concert as Sarveshwaran. He is Lasriyapati and she is Vishnu Patni. He rains the Daya, he showers the Daya because he is the Paramadayalu. He is Karuna Murti, the most merciful dark rainy cloud. He is Kala Megam. So he is the Kala Megam and he showers Daya on the Jivans. The Jivans who are his body have the duty, they have the privilege of competing with each other to perform the eternal Kainkaryam. Vadivil Kalamellam Udanai Manni Vadivila Adime Seyya Vendumna. நாம் என்று நல்ல அடிமைக்கு ஏற்குமாறும் ஸோ நாரணனார் வடிவான உயிர்களெல்லாம் நாம் என்று நல்லடிமைக்கு ஏற்குமாறும். We have to compete with each other to perform the eternal kainkariam at his lotus feet, here as well as in Sri Vaikuntham. And sarveshu desha kaleshu sarvavastasu cha achyuta kinkarosmi rishikesha bhuyosmi kinkaraha. We have to ask sarveshu desha kaleshu sarvavastasu achyuta, in all places, at all times, under all circumstances, we have to perform kainkariam at his lotus feet. One may ask a question, why do we have to perform kainkariam? It's like this. It's not that it's like working for an employer and we have to say, oh my God, I have to work, I have to serve, otherwise they will fire me. It's not so. This is out of love. When you love someone unconditionally, when you love your child, when you love your spouse, your girlfriend, your parents, your sister, whatever they ask, you would rush to do that for them. It seems Kalidasa used to bring the large morsels, large utensils full of water he used to carry for his girlfriend. Kalidasa, such a world's number one poet, used to bring water for her. And when they asked her, he was so passionate about her and he did work for her, even though it was menial. That's because he loved her. When you love someone, when you adore someone, when you are fond of someone, you will do anything and everything. You will serve without any grudge. You will serve with pleasure. You would love to do it again and again. And that's what here it says, Vadivil Kalamellam Udanai Manni Vadivila Adimeshaya Vendum Nam. That attitude will come only if there is bhakti, love for Perumal. And that would come only if we know that we are eternally bonded to him. He showers his daya on us. When such is the case, should we not give even an iota of his love towards us to him back? So we should perform kainkariam in Sri Vaikuntham as well as here, whereas using the Achetana doctrines like Moola Prakriti, Kalam, Shuddha Sattvam, and these exist in gross form, the Sthula Rupam as his body as well, so the Achetanas. And this is what we are sharing. So Vedanta Desika says we are sharing these wonderful subtle meanings of the Tattva Trayam as taught to us, as we learnt from our Purvacharyas, as revealed to us by our Purvacharyas. And that is what Swami mentions here, that ஆச்சாரிகள் குருக்கள் காட்ட கூரணிஷீர் மதியுடைய குருக்கள் காட்ட குறிப்புடன் நாம் கண்ட வகை கூறினோம். They are very sharp, they are so intelligent, they are shreshta, they are jnata, they are jnana vairagya anushtana sevati. These acharyas kata, they initiated with us, they taught us, they showed us, they revealed to us these Tattvatrayam, Kuripudan Nam Kandavagai, the way we understood, comprehended these three Tattvatrayams by the Sadhacharyas, as taught to us by the Sadhacharyas. On these Tattvatrayams, Ishwaran, Chit, Achit, we have mentioned that here. Swami Desikan mentions, Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline, Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha. Dhanyosmi.